Happy Republic Day to all of you. Today we are celebrating 72nd Republic Day of our India. We should proud to be an Indian. There are many reasons to be proud for being an Indian. Not only our culture, civilization, even the rules and regulations is also let us be proud today. We are celebrating Republic Day because it is not a normal day. Normally in other countries people hate the law, rules and regulation and constitution because they are rigid and they are so strict for the people of that particular country. But no, we should be proud and we are celebrating it as the festival. Students and teachers and people are being happy and they celebrate with a lot of enthusiasm. The reason behind it that the Constitution of India gives us some very special ultra power that is called the rights, basic fundamental rights that cannot be caught by the government and that cannot be caught by any monarchy system, by any other countries. No one has right to snatch our fundamental right except some emergency cases. If a government makes any rules, any law, and if that is disturbing the fundamental rights of the people of our country, that law can be ended and that law will be disimplemented. There are many examples of this statement. So we should be proud of this and we should thank our Bhimrao Ambedkar ji who just gave us a nice idea. Otherwise it would be possible that our country could be a dictatorship, could be gone towards the dictatorship because it would be the monarchy system, the problem of monarchy system and the problem of many kingdoms were solved, but there would be a way towards monarchy. But no, our country is very good country and government have to depend on the people of this country. And let me tell you something about the Constitution of India. So it is the biggest written constitution of the world. It is the biggest written document of the world, and in other countries like UK, it is said that UK has no any written constitution, and it is handwritten. Our constitution is handwritten constitution, and it cannot be destroyed by fungus, fungi, something, microbacteria in future 2000 year approximately. So it is a very interesting fact about this constitution. It was made in 2 years, 11 months and 18 days by more than 200 members. It was signed by more than 200 members and it was completed on 30 November 1949. But it was adopted by the government of India on 26/1950 because date 26 is also very special for all of us. On 26th January 1930 in Lahore Congress Adhivesan, or we can say Lahore Congress INC, Indian National Congress meeting, the leaders supposed that India became freedom and they tried to say that we became freedom and they supposed it as Purna Swaraj. And it was suppressed by the government, that British colonial government, but no, we had to give some speciality to this date, so we just adopted this particular beautiful Constitution on this auspicious day 26 January 2050. Best of luck. And one thing more I would like to tell to all of you, I would like to say that if our constitution will not be as powerful as it is, it So we are not getting over this global pandemic. Our situation is nice in the world, and our situation was also very good in the standard of graph of pandemic COVID-19 due to rules and regulation and constitution. Otherwise, if our suppose that there wouldn't be any constitution, and India is divided into many small kingdom. Even people are not following the rules and regulations, they have to be beaten on their backside. How the kings would follow that rules and regulation? They will not follow. They would not follow the rules and regulations that we should of lockdown or any other things. But we have to manage, because this is good for our betterment. And if anyone tried to break that rule, they were punished under the rule. This was happened because of the constitution. So we would like to thank constitution for getting over from this global pandemic COVID-19 also. Thank you so much, and always respect your law and rules and regulation of the government. Always follow the guidelines regarding to your particular profession. As I'm a teacher, so I should follow the guidelines regarding to education issued by the government, home ministry, state government. Everyone should follow the guidelines of their profession. And happy Republic Day 2021 to all of you, and good day to all of you. Thank you so much.